lashes out at New York Times report alleging years of tax avoidance. According to the New York Times, Trump paid only $750 in federal income taxes the year he won the presidency and again during his first year in office. The New York Times obtained 2 decades of President Donald Trump's tax information, reporting Sunday that the president paid only $750 in federal income taxes the year he won the presidency and again during his first year in office. The Times, which said it plans to publish additional stories based on the documents, reported that Trump has not paid any income taxes in 10 of the past 15 years, mostly because he reported significant losses. It reported that Trump is facing a decade-long Internal Revenue Service audit over a $72.9 million tax refund he received that could end up costing him more than $100 million. The Times also reported that Trump has more than $300 million in loans coming due within the next few years that he is personally responsible for repaying. The tax documents cover more than 2 decades, including some of his time as president, but they do not include his returns from 2018 and 2019. NBC News has not seen or verified any of the documents reported by the Times. Trump said Sunday that the story was totally fake news and made up, although he acknowledged that he didn't know anything about the story ahead of its publication, which came moments before his news conference began. Asked about the report that he paid just $750 in federal income tax in 2016 and again in 2017, Trump said he has paid a lot of money in state taxes, although he was not specific about how much. In response to the report, Joe Biden's presidential campaign released a brief video on Twitter saying what average workers typically pay in income taxes based on 2019 data, including an elementary school teacher, $7,239, a firefighter, $5,283, a construction manager, $16,447, and a registered nurse, $10,216, contrasting those numbers with Trump's reported tax payment. Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer, DNY, meanwhile, tweeted asking people to raise their hands if you paid more in federal income tax than President Trump. Rep. Richard Neal, D. Mass., chairman of the Ways and Means Committee, said in a statement that Trump has gamed the tax code to his advantage and used legal fights to delay or avoid paying what he owes. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, D. Califf, said in a statement, "It is a sign of President Trump's disdain for America's working families that he has spent years abusing the tax code while passing a GOP tax scam for the rich that are fewer." Earlier in Trump's presidency, Trump has waged a coast-to-coast legal battle throughout his presidency in hope of keeping the tax information hidden from the public. Trump is the only president in the past 40 years to have withheld his taxes from the public. No law requires presidents to make their taxes public. Although he said he would release the information ahead of the 2016 election, he has since repeatedly cited IRS audits as a rationale for continuing to withhold his records. This summer, Trump assailed a pair of Supreme Court rulings pertaining to his personal financial records, calling them not fair, although they were not clear-cut losses for the president.